Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart's weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. Look, I'm sweating. I'm hot. And if I take off this top, I'm gonna look like so we're not gonna do that. So listen, I think I need 15 offers for $3. It's not gonna happen. Not even a little bit. All right, it's not gonna happen. Deals are so slow right now. It kind of sucks, but you know, at the same time, there are some good deals as well. Thank God for all the other apps, because Ibotta, they all must be on vacation down at Ibotta headquarters. They all on vacay. They be back after the new year. But the only thing I didn't find today, I'll have the pop-up who I saw posted, is on the AvoFresco. It's a limit of 2. I was really excited about it. I didn't see it online, but you know, you can never trust online. You always got to go in person and see. And they don't have it. So I'll pop up a link in the description or the Google Doc. As far as Flavor Wiki, I am completely caught up with all of my offers. I haven't paid for everything thus far. I actually know I'm still doing the gum one. I did find the gum one. The Respawn is at Chevron gas station. They're $4.49, and you have to get 2 particular flavors. You'll get back $7 for each one. That one, you have to start it, and then you have to wait 72 hours to kind of try out the gum. I think they did it like that last time we had a gum offer on Flavor Wiki. And so I have to check back in 2 more days. And then we also have an offer on Fetch for $4 back when you buy 2. One of you guys commented on that post the other day. So they end up both being free plus like a $9 moneymaker, which is awesome. And I wasn't even going to do the gum. I didn't think I would find it, but I did. And so other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hello, the like button. Keep on watching. Yeah, so this first deal is a field agent job. I tried to do this yesterday at a different location, and we could not find it for the life of me. And it was saying it was here with the fresh meat. And so I did still submit for that job, saying that I couldn't find it, took a picture, and I will still get back the $3 for that one. So when it popped up again this morning, I chose a different location, and I'm happy that I did because they have it here. It's on the George's Farmers Market chicken. It's the pre-seasoned chicken. I have to get the Korean barbecue one. They have this one priced at $8.27, getting back $3 for doing the job. On Field Agent makes this a $3 moneymaker. All right, look, listen. I know what I said when I said I was oatmealed out, but I figured I would at least do the Kodiak protein one. I did this deal yesterday at a different store. They had the apple cinnamon, which is the one I need. It's priced at $5.54, getting back the 9 on Flavor Wiki. And then there was also $2.50 I didn't really know about on Fetch Reward. So it ended up making that a $5.96 money. I also went ahead and grabbed the Quaker protein. It was on the apple cinnamon. That one's priced at $4.17. For that one, we're getting back 5, making that an 83-cent moneymaker. I'll probably grab that other one. It's the date walnut one. This store is out of them. They're priced at $3. Getting back 5 would make that a $2 moneymaker. So it doesn't look like this store carries the Bob's Red Meal, the instant variety. It's priced at $5.47. For that, we're getting that back through an aisle offer. I have a link in the description. There's also $1.75 back from Ibotta, making that $1.75. Right, so ignore the fact that none of these are the correct Celsius that you need. You want to get the Snowball Frost one. Now, I found this particular flavor up front by the checkout. I grabbed this at a different store yesterday. They are priced on rollback for $1.97. Offer on Fetch Reward. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it is buy 3, get back 6 with a limit of 3. So you can grab 9 on 1 receipt, which is what I did. I ended up paying $17.73, got back 18, making all of them a 27-cent moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Sheba Selects, or Selections rather. They're priced at $158. You want to grab a total of 4 of them, you'll pay $6.62. You'll get back $4 on the fetch reward, making them only 58 cents. So this next deal is on the All Free and Clear. I'm going to be doing this deal again. It's only 80 count sheets, priced at $3.74. I went over and snapped this off of the laundry detergent because I left my coupon in the car. So you'll end up paying $174. We have an offer on Ibotta for 75 cents, and there's also a 10-cent any that's working as well, bringing that down to only 89 cents. And so, yeah. So, I saw California Clipper post this deal in her last Walmart video. I was looking for it. It's on the Boost Advance. Doesn't look like my store carries it, but it is priced at $12.86. We have an offer on Ibotta for $4.25. Checkout 51 is $4. Swagbucks is also $4, bringing that down to only 86 cents. I was watching Miss Danielle's video this morning, and I'm gonna try a deal. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, and see how it works out. So the first thing we're gonna grab is the Haws. It's a smaller pack. They're priced at $2.48. For that, I'm gonna use one of these 125 off of 2 coupons right here from coupons.com. I'm also gonna be grabbing the Robitussin right here. It's priced at $6.48. I'm going to grab a total of 2 of those and see if the $2.50 coupon will work. 2 of those. All 4 items before coupon should be $17.92. After coupons, it should be $11.67. There's an offer on Fetch Reward. Buy the Haws and the Robitussin get back 4 with a limit of 2. So I should get back $8, making them only 91 cents each. Next one is on the Neutrogena. It's on the acne patches. This is the 24 count. It's priced at $7.97. Now, I left my coupons in the car. I'll pop up a picture of what the coupon looks like. It's $3.50 off of 1. It's a coupon on coupons.com. You'll pay $4.47, get back $3.50 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Fetch as well, making that a $2.03 money maker. Now, I also have a coupon for Clean and Clear as well. I think I saw Danielle. I think she may have mentioned these deals in her last video. So the cheapest one they have is priced at $5.37. The coupon for that one is $2. You'll pay $3.37, get back 2 on Ibotta, makes it $1.37. And you say stocking stuffer in the comments if you still watching the video. Look, this has been on repeat. So your girl is doing it on repeat. I still have the offer on Checkout 51. It's funny because last time I did this deal, I thought I had it and I didn't. And then I checked again this morning and I had it. So it's priced at $8.96. We're going to grab 1, getting back 4 on Ibotta, 4 on Checkout 51, making this only 96 cents. Now, I don't have the Colgate offers on the sister apps anymore. And so, yeah. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I did want to try something, though. Now, with Flavor Wiki, for the Magic Spoon offer and the, what was the other one? The Think bars, it pictured a box and it pictured the single serving. And so I wanted to try doing this on my account and see if it would work on the single ones. So I'm going to have to pin a comment and let you know how that works out. I just barely did it like today. And so I grabbed this deal at Food for Less. They're $2.99. There's a buy one, get one free offer on aisle. I'll have a link in the description. So you'll get back $2.99 for one of them. And then hopefully if I get back the $15 on Flavor Wiki, it'll make it a nice money maker. And I actually just had the chocolate one right now. I mean, I tried them yesterday, but I only took a bite because it's a lot to have to eat a whole bar. And so I usually will just take a bite off of each one. I just finished the chocolate one and it's really, really good. So there was that. Now today I got paid out the rest of my surveys. I thought I was done, but I still had the Kodiak and the Quaker. So those both went through today. I also got back that $4. Remember when I posted on my community tab, we got some no purchase necessary offers on Flavor Wiki? There was 4 of them for $4 each. And then once you did them, it just disappeared. And so that hit today. So I got back $8 on both accounts, which is really cool. And so just a heads up on that. Check your emails. As of now, only thing I'm waiting for is to finish the gum, which I still haven't tasted it, obviously, because they're not open. But that survey, again, I have to wait 72 hours to continue it. The Clean and Clear coupon, the printable, it didn't scan. I tried 2 different products. I tried the traditional orange color one. It didn't work. And then I tried another one. And so it didn't work, so I didn't get that. Other than that, everything else worked out good. Fetch reward. I got back all of my points except for the respond. I had to put a ticket in because I think it has to do with my receipt. It said something. It didn't say Chevron. It said something utility. I don't know. But I had to put a ticket in, so I'm still waiting to hear back for that. I still have to do this. I'm going to cook that for dinner tonight for field agent. The printables for the Robitussin and the Halls, that deal worked out perfect. I did go to self-checkout. All my coupons scanned. At first, I didn't think they were scanning because they kind of low-key wasn't. But again, you just have to cover up that smaller, elongated QR code type of situation. I think it was picking up that, and that's why it wasn't scanning. But they all did scan for me. And I did do that on a separate transaction, hoping that it might pop up. Something might pop up on Ibotta. I know I did see people that had Robitussin on Ibotta, but I didn't. Really quick, let me answer this question because I get this question a lot as far as favorite wiki. How do you get so many offers and I can't even get one? I check. All I do is check it, y'all. I ain't getting no kind of special treatment. All I do is check for offers, and I let you guys know when there's new offers. All right. When we have a qualifying survey, it goes fast. So as soon as they hit a certain quota, our limit is no longer available. So you won't even see it on your dashboard. All I can say is check it frequently. They do sometimes send me emails. So I do get an email saying we have a new offer for you, whatever. But if I don't see that email until late in the day, then I go and check my dashboard. There's nothing there because it's already gone. So the only tip I can give you with Favorite Wiki is to check it frequently and do that qualification survey ASAP. I did have a lot of you guys that used my link, which is always awesome. I get $1 for every person that uses it, which is not a lot. I mean, it's more important to me that you guys are able to use it. So I think like 38 of you guys used it for the oatmeal promotion, which is really, really cool. Other than that, everything you see here reaches $101.06. I had $8.25 in coupons. Out of pocket came down to $92.81. My sales tax was $3.65. And then I walk away with $59 from Flavor Wiki. That's not including the $1 referral for each of you guys that used it. Field agent is $42.71. Fetch reward was $35.55. Ibotta is $10.25. Aisles is $8.73. And last but not least, checkout 51 was $4. It brings my total back to $160.24, making everything that you see here free plus a $67.43 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. I want to see a bear in the comments if you made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.